Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author and artist of many how to draw books. I have one out that just came out called Drawing Anime from Simple Shapes. And in my super hint series, I'm going to do a video of how to draw one of those characters' heads. And it's going to be a profile. Sometimes people have problems with a profile, but it's actually not difficult to do. You just have to know how to make the guidelines. First of all, let's start with the neck and the back of the head. The back of the head is further back than the neck. Some people put it right next to it or straight up. It's not that way. And this jaw goes up here. It doesn't go much further though than this. So the top of the head is kind of flat actually, isn't it? Well, we'll fix that, but we just don't want it to be quite as round as an egg. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the eyes down low. And why is that? Well, because a school-age character has the eyes a little lower than an adult character. So we're going to have the eyes come like this. It's like a triangle, especially when you put the front end here, and the slender pupil, not a big pupil. Now, forehead is very round, but then it gets an indentation here, and it comes way up like that. Now look, here is a slanted guideline. It's like a diagonal here. So this is going to come down here. We're going to follow that down. Here's a little protruding lip on top, a little protruding lip on the bottom. Bring it down to a chin, but not a really round chin. You don't want to make that too round. There we go. So you see it all along the same path. How about some eyelashes here and a little bit more emphasis on the top. Upper eyelid, back, but the other one comes up here. A little bit of shadow right there, another eyelash or two. And we'll also sketch that curved eyebrow. You notice that it's not straight, it's going this way rather than straight across. We're going to bring the hair down here, give a little more room between the hair and the head. Just don't paste it down, give it a little extra room. And up again for some bangs. Come back around the head, and once it hits this area, about mid-head, bang, goes straight down, falls down. So we'll have the front strand going all the way down, and we'll show a few other ones. How about we have a little bow here? And we can add a few other strands, like so. You can even put the ear back here if you want to. Have it come out from between the strands. A little earring. That's kind of a young, nice look. Okay, so let me show you what we have here. We also have it in my book. Except I have her in the book texting. And you could add that too, or not. Anyway, so the book is called Drawing Anime from Simple Shapes. Character design basics for all ages. It's in stores and you can order it now, or you can buy it if they have it in stock, and everybody should have it in stock. I hope they do. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. And please leave comments. I love to get comments, and I try to answer them all. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.